Hello Yogis, welcome back to yet another exciting series of episodes. This time we are going to start with another concept where I'm going to tell you 5 facts, and these facts are going to be different with every episode that is going to come out. So let's start with the 5 facts that I'm going to tell you this week. Those are based on how you need to be following these rules and regulations and how you can be successful leading your good life. So let's start. First and foremost thing is that you have to be focused on commitment instead of being motivated. Most of the times we don't understand what is motivation. If you're sticking to the commitment, you're obviously going to be motivated all the time. Even if you don't feel like doing something, you are going to stick with it no matter what. So it is very important that we promise ourselves, we do respect the words that we speak, and we stick with them through thick and thin and make sure that everything goes right. Second, and one of the most important thing, is that we have to be focused on quality people in our life and not the quantity. We don't understand this has a very big impact on us and our success. One of my best friend had rightly said me that instead of getting 100 wolves around you, it is better if you surround yourself with 5 lions, because in the times of crisis these wolves will run away, but these lions will make sure that they chase down the problem and they'll help you protect and rise stronger than before. Third point is you have to be focusing on knowledge and not the results. Most of the times we keep on focusing on the results, and obviously we forget that the process that is actually going to lead us to the result, if that is not right, you are not going to get good results. The good example is 3 Idiots movie, where Ranchor Das was thrown out of the class and he used to randomly go into any classroom where lectures were going on. This helped him to gain knowledge, which eventually helped him to become a successful person and lead a better life as compared to his counter students. Fourth point is you have to enjoy the journey. Obviously, when you're living a life, you are going to face a lot of problems, and the path that you want is not going to be easy as well, but you have to enjoy the process. That is very important, because ultimately what you're going to have is yourself, and if you don't enjoy certain things, even if you get success, you're not going to be happy. So enjoy the problems. They do have hidden opportunities in them. Last and very important thing that we don't tend to focus is that we be kind, or we are very nice to ourselves, and obviously then we don't get good results. For example, if you want to exercise and you're not the person who is exercising for a long time, you'll understand when you start, for the first 2 days it is going to be difficult. Third day your body is going to pain, and then you leave that particular thing, and then you say that I'm not getting results and I don't want to do it. But the results are hidden if you do it consistently. So it is very important for us to stick with the goal, to keep doing it continuously, to push the bar, and only then you're going to get better results or different results than what you're expecting. So keep doing it, keep pushing yourselves, only then the success is going to be yours. I hope you like the content that I've published. If you have liked, please like, subscribe to the channel, share it as much as possible. Take care of yourself until then. Love and peace. This is me signing off. Thank you.